Hey guys, welcome to the second week of class. We have another discussion this week. So I wanted to mention that last week I was a little bit lenient with the grades, and I wanted to give you guys a chance to just kind of get in and get your feet wet. A couple of key things. First, remember this is a master's level course. So I am looking for master's level critical thinking, assessment, evaluation, expanding your ideas, thinking outside of the box, looking to outside research, make sure you're including citations, make sure those are in APA format. And also, as you reply to others, be sure to specifically and directly link your responses back to the topic of healthcare finance. Remember that our discussions and your posts are a chance for you to show your learning and your critical thinking. And those things should be relative to our class. So grading is going to be a little bit tougher this week, so please make sure you are specific, you use analysis, you give examples, you're drawing on outside research, really demonstrate master's level thinking. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.